Hi, Laura. I'm going to click on a couple things and see if we can get you where you need to be or see if there's a problem. When I enter the system, that's what I see. And it lists the various conferences and it lists the various roles. If I click on conferences in the upper left, it's a slightly different view that's unexpanded. But I can click on ABSEL 2019. It shows me a slightly different screen. This time I'm going to click on CFP Manager. And when I do that, it just gives me a set of different menu items to pick from. So then I'm going to click Managers up here. And according to this screen, we have you set as a super manager. So you should be able to go anywhere in the system with that. And I'm not quite sure if something needs to be picked to get you in a particular track or not. So yeah, like I said, I'm not sure what's going on with that. But if you do click on a particular track, like I'm going to click here, then it does show me the papers. So that's what I think you should see, but I don't know if there's a setting missing. In any case, let me know if you think that fixes it, and if not, we'll explore it further.